The 2026 Toyota Camry is here, and it's bringing a fresh wave of excitement to one of the most dependable names in the automotive world. For decades, the Camry has been known for reliability, comfort, and value, but this new model takes those strengths and adds sharper styling, smarter technology, and an even more efficient powertrain lineup. Whether you've been a Camry fan for years or you're just considering it for the first time, this is a car worth paying attention to. The first thing you'll notice is the new exterior design. Toyota has clearly taken cues from their sportier models, giving the Camry a sleeker, more dynamic look. The front end features a more aggressive grille, slimmer LED headlights, and aerodynamic touches that give the car a bolder presence on the road. From the side, you'll see crisp character lines in a slightly lower stance, while the rear sports stylish LED taillights and a cleaner, more modern bumper design. It's the kind of look that says the Camry isn't just about practicality anymore, it's about turning heads. Under the hood, Toyota is continuing its push toward electrification. The 2026 Camry comes standard with a refined hybrid powertrain, pairing a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an upgraded electric motor system. This setup delivers a strong balance of performance and efficiency, with improved acceleration over previous models while still offering fuel economy numbers that make long commutes or road trips easier on your wallet. For those who want even more efficiency, Toyota offers a plug-in hybrid variant with extended electric-only range, perfect for short daily drives without using a drop of gas. Inside, the 2026 Camry feels more upscale than ever. Step in, and you're greeted by high-quality materials, a modern dashboard layout, and a new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Toyota's latest software. The interface is smooth, responsive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it simple to stay connected. Physical controls for climate and audio remain, which is a win for drivers who don't want to dig through menus while on the move. The seats are redesigned for better comfort, and higher trims offer leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, and even a panoramic glass roof for an airy feel. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom, making the Camry an easy choice for families or anyone who frequently drives with friends. The trunk remains spacious, and the hybrid's battery placement means you don't lose much cargo space compared to the gasoline models of the past. Toyota knows practicality is still key for Camry buyers, and they've made sure to keep that intact. Safety continues to be a major focus. Every 2026 Camry comes with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and lane centering technology. On higher trims, you can add a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, and an upgraded adaptive cruise system that handles stop-and-go traffic with ease. Driving the 2026 Camry is a